Hey, what's up, guys? Check it out. Tyler Sassy here, Western Welding Academy. We're down here, 2024 Blue Collar Tour. We're down here at the DTech, Dennis Technical Education Center. Man, that's a mouthful right there. And I'll tell you what, it's snowing and blowing out there, and like every school across the state of Idaho and most of Oregon and Washington is shut down and closed. But Mr. Jim McKenzie was gracious enough to still let us come in and kind of warm up a little bit and take a tour of this amazing, incredible facility. Honestly, warms my heart to see the power of the people that are working together to help our youth and help us build America and build a better generation. So,
was introduced to welding in junior high, my 7th grade year of junior high. And it just kind of took hold there and built from that. For me, it's a passion. You know, I love building things. I love seeing things go from nothing to a finished product. If you're the type of person that likes to work with your hands, you like to, design and build things, then this is definitely a good path for you. It may not be the absolute right path. I mean, there's so many things out there. Being able to build something from nothing, you've accomplished something there. The passion comes quickly. You know, you get a lot of students that come through here and they take welding because they think the sparks and the flames are cool, and it doesn't take long at all before they're like hooked in and they're here for the 3-year program and this is what they want to do. There's nothing better, to have your students come back and they're killing it out there. They come back and thank you. And that's huge. It doesn't get any better than that when you have a student come back and thank you for what you did for them. Our country won't survive without the blue-collar worker, and the blue-collar trades are hurting right now, and we need to get more people in the trades. We wouldn't survive without them, and we need to promote them more. Just because it's blue-collar doesn't mean it's low pay. You can make a lot of good money in the blue-collar. I love this job. I wouldn't trade it for anything. I wished I'd have gotten into it sooner.
Incredible facility, and it's just really powerful to see the people that are passionate about teaching the youth and upskilling America.
Yeah, no, I've been at it for 15 years now doing this here at DTech, and I haven't worked a day in 15 years.
Yeah, it's not work if you love what you do.
I just come to school.
Yeah.
So it's been great.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, we thank you. I really appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey guys, just wrapped up with Jim McKenzie and DTech. Unfortunately, due to weather, we had to cancel the show today, but Jim gave us an amazing tour of the whole facility. You guys are doing incredible things here. Let's go to the next stop. Let's go build America.